Good afternoon. My name is Hunter Howard. I'm president of Hormone Therapeutics. We help people live healthier, longer. A few years ago, I just sold my first health tech company. I should have felt on top of the world, but something was wrong with my body chemistry. My trusted family doctor was absolutely clueless, and I did a lot of research, and I finally found the right specialist, finally got the right test. It turned out I had low testosterone. I had late onset adult food allergies, including corn tortilla, and I live in Texas. I was living off of corn tortilla chips. And that was giving me psoriasis and brain fog. I also had a disturbed microbiome from antibiotic use that I had. It wasn't that complicated once I finally found the right test and the right specialist. I pretty quickly regained my life. But it had me step back and look at my healthcare industry and say, we're focusing on sick care, triage, crisis management, but nobody's focusing on health optimization. That's when I knew there were people like me that needed our help. And I decided to start Hormone Therapeutics. Our mission is to add 50 healthy years to every life. We do that by providing access to world-class specialists. We'll send testing kits, access to physicians, world-class physicians, and we do precision testing for personalized therapeutics. We have an absolutely all-star team. This is my third health tech company after a successful PE exit. Built a 900-person medical billing operation in Sri Lanka. I was also a Fortune 100 tech executive where I learned how to build and scale world-class operations. Dr. John Spear and I, we managed a 210 physician telemedicine team. We had Dr. Kevin Light, the author of Outsmart Aging. He writes our medical protocols. He also consults on the complex cases. We also have the physician business leaders who are former presidents of M-Care, low T clinics, and in-house physicians on our squad. So we launched with hormone replacement therapy because of the monthly recurring cash flow, and we now have 8 other health optimization service lines. Did you know that doctors only receive 4 hours of nutrition training in med school? They receive nothing on optimizing a declining endocrine system, and family doctors just don't like to refer to specialists. And there are few of these specialists outside of the big cities anyway. Our genetic tests tell us how you should eat, how you should exercise, how you should sleep, how you metabolize certain medications. Our microbiome tests tell us about your gut health. Our telomere tests tell us your cellular age. Who here knows your cellular age and how it corresponds with your chronological age? Is there anyone here who's not curious? Our approach is different because of our access to the world-class specialists that are so difficult to find. We can provide that anywhere. We're going to mail a testing kit or send a nurse to any home in the country to provide all these tests. But more importantly, we're going to give you access to the world-class specialists that will help you figure out what those tests mean. We've got some amazing momentum right now. We started in 8 states. Now we have a 50-state licensing for lab testing, physician prescribing, pharmaceutical shipping. We launched with a lean team in our beta phase, but we already have 400 patients, $500,000 in revenue. We have a positive cash flow, a negative cash conversion cycle. And we actually in the last 6 months haven't spent any money in marketing, and we're growing at 11% month over month. People are finding us because they're searching for help. They're going to their doctors are telling them, you're normal, you're in the normal range of this or that. People know they're not normal, they're searching for help, so we're ready to accelerate the growth right now. But as fast as the direct consumer side is going right now, we're actually more excited about the business to business side. We have 3 partnerships already lined up. We do 85% of the same tests that someone gets when your CEO goes to an executive wellness physical at the Cleveland Clinic or the Mayo Clinic. But we do that in their office at a fraction of the cost. And so when we send our nursing team to that office, you can also do that for your entire C-suite, your entire executive team. You can invest in the health for your entire workforce. Everybody's doing corporate wellness, similar things. Invest in the health of your workforce, and that's what we can help you guys do. We have to act now. Lifespan has increased 64% in the last 100 years. Our bodies are not yet optimized for healthy aging. Our goal is to increase health span. We know that triage crisis management will always have a place in healthcare, but personal health optimization, we believe, is